To become a Bolt driver and start earning money, you first need to access the platform, which can be done by visiting the website or downloading the application from the App Store. The process is straightforward. Simply head to your preferred browser, type in the website's URL, and click on the option to become a driver. You will be prompted to sign up by filling out a form with your details, including your email address, phone number, and city, and accepting the terms of service and privacy policy. Once you've completed the sign-up process, you can start earning money by receiving and completing requests from clients. If you already have an account, you can log in directly. And if you have multiple vehicles and drivers, you can sign up as a fleet owner. The steps are simple. When you're on duty, you receive a request, drive the client to their destination, and get paid. By following these easy steps, you can become a Bolt driver and start earning money.